nowadays live in different places from one family, some in Delhi, others in Mumbai or even abroad. Staying in touch is important, so they use online platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, and more to share updates, photos, and videos. Connecting with everyone through these platforms is called connectivity. The concept of connectivity is all about linking devices, systems, or people so they can communicate and share information easily. In technology, connectivity refers to setting up networks that enable devices or computers to connect and exchange data with one another. Let's understand this in detail by solving a multiple choice question. The question is, which of the following best describes the central concept of connectivity? And the options are: the ability to connect multiple devices to a single network, the communication system connecting two or more computers, the use of multimedia interfaces for online shopping, the impact of technological change on daily lives. Let's examine each option in detail to identify which one most accurately explains connectivity. The first option, talking about linking devices within one network, which is part of connectivity but doesn't fully capture the main idea. Connectivity is not just about multiple devices on one network, but about enabling meaningful communication between them. The second option perfectly describes connectivity. This option focuses on establishing a connection between computers to share information, which is at the heart of connectivity. When computers connect, they can exchange data, much like how two phones on a call exchange voice data. The third option is unrelated to connectivity. This talks about online shopping experiences, not about linking devices or enabling communication through a network. The fourth option describes how technology affects us. It doesn't address the concept of connectivity, as it focuses on outcomes rather than the setup of communication systems. So, the correct answer is the communication system connecting two or more computers. This option best captures the essence of connectivity, emphasizing the creation of links that allow devices to communicate and share data. Friends, you can learn more about this topic in your MSCIT book in detail.